Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a lead gen chatbot which can book meetings directly into your Google Calendar. So I'll be doing this for a roof company. It can be applicable to any business possible, but in this example I'll be going with a roof company. So let's for this I am using Chatlink because it offers of integration with cal.com, and it's very easy. Without any automations you can book meetings directly in this app. So when you log in Chatlink, it shows this interface. Then you have to click on create your chatbot. We'll do it scratch. So let's name it. Okay. So you have to go here, build a chatbot. So here comes the interface where you can build this. This tutorial will be very beginner friendly. It's very easy. You have to just watch it 2 times and you're good to go. Okay, so this is the start intent where you can start the chatbot, and this is a block section where there's text, image, video, basically anything you can add in this chatbot. Text is something that the chatbots will be speaking with the user. You can put images if you want, you can put video, audio, anything. We'll be using carousel this time. Like, it's a set of images where you can redirect your users to your website. So there are many buttons. I'll be covering this in a next video, or I'll be using buttons and some things here as well. So let's start with form. Basically what it is, you can connect this to here and you can set it up everywhere you want. You can name it if you like. Like, I like to name these nodes. So let's set up the form. This is the label you have to, like, name this thing. So what you have to ask the user, like, I'll be asking name, email and phone number. For this particular tutorial you can ask anything you want. So let's type name. What's the type? There are many type: text, email, drop down list, multiple choice, URL, date, time. So this will be a text, so let it be a text. This is a variable where you can save the value the user sent for this. Like, the person said John, so John will be saved in this variable contact name. So you can create wherever you would like. Let's add another one, that would be email. So let's name it email. Select the type email and search a variable name like contact email. Okay, I think there's no need to add phone numbers, so let it be. This is enough. After that we'll add a first message. How we can add? Drag this text here and connect with this. Actually, it is a form. I should name here greeting. Okay, good to go. So our first message would be hey. Now when the user gives his name here, and it will be saved in the variable contact name. So when you curly bracket it here, so there are many variables you can use. So we saved name here, so you can use here contact name. So whenever the users, suppose someone says John, so here it will show like hey John. We'll complete the message first. How can I help? Okay, so the message will be shown as hey John, how can I help? So we'll be adding a button here, like 2 buttons. One will be like services. Add another button, so it will be like schedule an appointment. Okay, so there are 2 options, so you can select any one of it. The user will be selecting any one of it, and it will be redirecting to this here. Okay, so what should we name here? We are doing services, so we'll do it servicing. This is a carousel, like you can show images and redirect them to your website. So let's add a card. You have to drop your image here. So let's do that. I'll be doing that. So I've added the image here. So let's give it a title like roof inspection. Okay, so okay, so it's done here. Description is something that will describe what the service is, and when you add a button here, you can it will show a button where it will redirect you to the particular page. So you can type here as learn more, and you can add a URL here. Suppose I'm adding my portfolio website here for just example, and it is done. Okay, so let's check it how it's going till now. Let's preview it. So it is asking here my name and email, so let's do it. My name's John, and it's john@email.com. Submit. See, it asks, hey John, how can I help? There are two options to select. I'll be selecting services to check how is it going. So you can see here roof inspection, and there's a description of this. When you click the learn more, you will be redirected to the link specified. Okay, so let's build further. I'll be adding 3 more cards, so I'll skip that, otherwise the video will be too long. So bear with me till end. So here I made this set of 3 carousels here. So it will show it like this. You can set it up wherever you want. So let's complete it. So add a text here, and we'll ask it like anything else may I help you with. Again, we'll add some buttons here like yes, no. So when the person will click yes, we will redirect to this question again. And when it's no, so let's set up this schedule an appointment first, then we'll go for this no. Okay, so let's add a text here like so. We can put a message like this, like sure, like sure, contact name, I'll set your appointment with the owner. But there's a catch here. Actually, there's no catch. I'll let the user confirm the details before setting an appointment. So the message should be like this: let's confirm your details before we book your appointment. So the name, you can add a curly bracket and add the variable here. Then email, again add the variable contact email, and it's done. And type that. Is that correct? And again we'll add a button here saying yes and no. Yes, no. When the user will say yes, you can go down in the block, and here's the cal.com integration where you can book appointments very easily. So let's connect it. Go to your cal.com account, select the meeting you want, copy the link, and just paste it here. Okay, so you can again confirm this by adding variables here. It's done. And if it gets success, you can say a text like your meeting has been booked with. Is there anything else you want me to help you with? Again, we can get buttons here saying yes and no. When it will say yes, you can continue here, connecting this back. When the user will say no, you can see a text here like have a great day ahead. Bye. Okay, so connect this no to here and this no also here. Okay, what's left here? No. Let's do this. We can set up the form. We can create a new name here, new variable. Okay, so new name. So we created a new variable here, so it will save it. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's preview it once before we deploy it. Okay, so the name, it's Neymar. He's my favorite. nay@email.com. Submit. Hey Neymar, how can I help? So let's check with services first. See, it shows you roof inspection, learn more, roof cleanup, roof maintenance. When you click learn more, it redirects you to the given URL. Okay, so anything else may I help you? Yes. Let's do a schedule an appointment. Okay, so let's confirm your details before you book your appointment. So it's good to go. Neymar, nay@email.com. Yes, is correct. So here comes my calendar. You can use your calendar. So I can select when should be the meeting. Maybe I'll select 1:30 p.m. and confirm. We are good to go to book the meeting. And yep, your meeting has been booked with our owner. Is there anything else you want me to help you? No. So have a great day ahead. Bye. And the chat is over. Okay, so when we check the booking here, see 1:30 to 2 p.m. it's booked here. And when you check the calendar, it will be there as well. See, it has booked here between 1:30 and 2 p.m. So here is the lead generation chatbot for roofers. You can apply it to any business possible, whether it is plumbing, real estate, e-commerce. This is the basic one. If you want me to build some advanced one, I can do that as well. Right now I'm focusing on voice agents mostly. I'll be posting them, but I'm making this tutorial for absolute beginners who just step into this AI race. So chatbot is the basic one, so you should go for it. I'll be providing this template in the video description. You can go check it out. And for more tutorials, subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting content around voice agents. So stay with me. Let's conquer these kings. I believe in you. Peace out.